Today, I'm going to teach you how to access documents and folders in Docusign. This is essential for managing your agreements and staying organized with all your digital contracts and important files. Let's get straight into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Simply enter your information to access your account and get started. After logging in, look at the top toolbar where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Agreements. This is your main hub for accessing all documents and folders that you've sent, received, or are currently working on. Once you're in the Agreements section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see several important options including Inbox, Sent, Completed, Drafts, and Deleted. Each of these categories organizes your documents differently based on their status. Navigate through each option to view all your documents and folders. For instance, clicking Inbox will show you agreements that require your attention, while Sent displays documents you've sent to others. The Completed section contains finalized agreements, Drafts holds unfinished documents, and Deleted stores items you've removed. You can also use the search bar at the top if you need to locate a specific document or folder quickly. If you want to see more options for any document, click the three dotted lines right beside it. This will reveal additional actions you can take with that particular file. Now there's another way to view your documents and folders. In the top toolbar, click on Templates. This section gives you access to reusable document templates and any folders you've created to organize them. Finally, click on Reports in the top toolbar. This area displays all your documents and folders in a different view, often with additional analytics and organizational features that can help you track document activity. And that's it. You now know how to navigate and access all your documents and folders across different sections of Docusign, making it much easier to manage your agreements efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.